In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in HubSpot. Whether you're collecting contact information, conducting surveys, or gathering customer feedback, creating a form in HubSpot is a user-friendly process that will streamline your data collection efforts. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, glance at the top right corner of the page and click on Login. This will open up a portal for you to access your account. If you have a Google account linked, you can simply click on Sign in with Google and select the account you wish to use. This makes logging in quick and hassle-free, especially if you prefer keeping multiple accounts separately linked through Google. After you've successfully logged into your account, you'll want to direct your attention to the main navigation menu. Click on the Marketing tab, which is your gateway to all the marketing tools HubSpot has to offer, including forms. Once there, look for the Forms option in the drop-down menu that appears. Click on it to be taken to the Forms dashboard within HubSpot. Now that you're in the Forms section, it's time to create a form. Locate and click on the Create Form button. This button generally stands out, inviting you to start crafting your new form. Doing so takes you to the form editor, where all the magic happens. The form editor is a powerful tool that allows complete customization of your form. After entering the editor, you should see a Next button, enabling you to proceed further in the form creation process. Click on it. Now, editing can truly commence. You'll have the ability to add fields and elements from the left panel directly onto your form. This means you can personalize your form with the exact fields you need, whether they be text inputs, drop-down menus, or checkboxes. After you've carefully designed your form and added all necessary fields, it's time to review your masterpiece. Navigate to the top right corner and click Review and Update. This step is critical as it allows you to ensure all information is accurate and looks just the way you want it to. Finally, once everything is up to your standards, select the Update button. This saves your changes and finalizes your form within HubSpot. To see how your form will appear to users, click on View Form. Here, you can see the end result and ensure everything is perfectly aligned with your vision. Congratulations, you've just created a powerful HubSpot form from scratch. This tool is now ready to gather the data you need, aiding your business operations efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.